Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, mathematics, and statistics to acquire, store, analyze, and interpret biological data. It plays a crucial role in organizing and making sense of the vast amounts of biological information generated by modern scientific research. Here are the key aspects of bioinformatics. 1. Data management. Bioinformatics involves the development of databases and data management systems to store biological data, including DNA sequences, protein structures, gene expression profiles, and more. These databases help researchers access and share biological information efficiently. 2. Sequence analysis. A significant part of bioinformatics is dedicated to the analysis of biological sequences, such as DNA, RNA, and protein sequences. This includes identifying genes, studying genetic variations, and understanding the structure and function of biomolecules. 3. Genomic research. Bioinformatics is integral to genomics, the study of an organism's entire genetic material. Researchers use bioinformatics tools to sequence and analyze entire genomes, leading to insights into gene function, evolution, and the genetic basis of diseases. 4. Proteomics. Proteomics focuses on the study of proteins, including their structure, function, and interactions. Bioinformatics tools help in protein structure prediction, identifying post-translational modifications, and analyzing protein-protein interactions. 5. Phylogenetics. Bioinformatics is used in the construction of evolutionary trees and the study of relationships among species, based on genetic and molecular data. It helps trace the evolutionary history of organisms. 6. Structural biology. Bioinformatics plays a vital role in predicting and analyzing the 3D structures of biomolecules, such as proteins and RNA. This is crucial for drug design and understanding molecular functions. 7. Functional genomics. Bioinformatics tools aid in identifying and characterizing the function of genes and other functional elements within the genome. This includes the study of gene expression patterns and regulatory networks. 8. Comparative genomics. Researchers use bioinformatics to compare the genomes of different species, identifying similarities and differences that provide insights into evolutionary relationships and genetic adaptations. 9. Biological data mining. Bioinformatics employs data mining techniques to extract valuable information from large biological datasets. This can include identifying biomarkers for diseases, studying gene expression patterns, and more. 10. Personalized medicine. Bioinformatics is increasingly used in healthcare to tailor medical treatments to an individual's genetic makeup. This enables more effective and personalized medical interventions. 11. Drug discovery. Bioinformatics tools are crucial in drug discovery by identifying potential drug targets, simulating drug interactions with biomolecules, and predicting the efficacy and safety of drug candidates. 12. Systems biology. Bioinformatics is a key component of systems biology, which aims to understand biological systems as a whole, considering interactions among genes, proteins, and other elements. Bioinformatics has become an essential part of biological research and is applied in fields such as genetics, molecular biology, biomedicine, and ecology. It allows scientists to process and analyze vast amounts of biological data, ultimately leading to discoveries and innovations in the life sciences. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.